Hello guys, my name is Ursula and welcome back to my channel, and today we guys are going to solve a new Leetcode question that is find resultant array after removing anagrams. So guys, we will be solving this question with the help of Python. So the question says you are given a zero indexed string using words where words I consist of lowercase English letter. In one operation select any index I such that 0 is less than I is less than words dot length, and words I minus 1 and words I are anagrams, and delete words I from words. Keep performing this operation as long as you can select an index that satisfies the condition. Return words after performing all operations. It can be shown that selecting the indices for each operation in any arbitrary order will lead to same result. An anagram is a word or phrase found by rearranging the letter of a different word or phrase using all the original exactly once. For example, DACB is an anagram of ABDC. So I hope that you have understood this question, but never mind, I will explain it to you with the help of example what actually they are asking. So guys, see, we have a words, we have a list of words, or we can say array, and in that we have some amounts of words. So there are a b b a b a b a b b a a c d c d, and if you can rearrange this we can get this, and if we can rearrange this and we can get this as well. So we can see that after rearranging any this word, we can get any of these two words. So we can say that this should be distinct. The word, any a certain amount of words which are distinct in the words array, we have to return those words, meaning that this is not identical to and this should not be identical to anybody. If it is, then we have to do not have to return those words except this word. So we have to just first of all we will be just putting this word into our array, okay, and then we will be checking this word, this ABBA, that does it match with any of the words. So it should not be have the same order of words, meaning that it should not always have to be ABBA. It can also be BABA, BBAA, and so on. It's meaning that the number of characters in this AABB, here also there are two A's and two B's, there are also two A and two B's, and so on. So any word which contains two A and two B's will not be counted next time. So that's all we have to do here. I hope that you guys have understood this question, and if you have understood, let's move on to solving this question out. So what we will be doing here, we will be just checking that this word have we have to count this word. So for that, first of all I will be creating a res is equal to an array, or you can say list, in which I will be just putting the first value of the words. The first value of the word would be this, and if I put the 0 here, it will be this value in our res means result. Okay, now let's move on, and we have to create some we have to create a loop here. For I in range 1 to len words. Now many of you might be thinking that why do we have taken the initial value as 1, why we have not started from 0? Because guys, see, what the 0 has a value has already been there in our rest, so we do not have to count it twice. Okay, so we have to just count it once. So that's why we have started from 1, because 0 is already been there in our, this is 0, so it's already been there in our rest, so we do not have to count it twice. So that's why we have taken the step of 1 and to the length of words. Now I will be taking two variables here, m1 and m2, which will be my counter and words I counters index I minus 1, and second will be counter words I. So guys, what does this basically do here is that I have said that m1 should be equal to this and m2 variable should be equal to this. Okay, so uh, what does counter value what does counter function does is it counts the number of occurrences of the, any amount of words. So here we are saying that count me the I minus 1, meaning that if I is equals to 1 give me 0, if I is equals to 2 give me 2, sorry, if I is equals to 2 give me 1, then m1 should, if m2 is equals to 3, then m1 will be 2. So that's what we are seeing here, that the last iteration, like last value is m1 and the for next value is m2. I hope that you have now understood what actually I mean here is, and I will be saying that m1 if m1 not equal to m2, then rest dot append words I. Okay, now we have to just compare these values m1 and m2. If they are not equal, that's all we have to check in. So if these are not equal, here which values are not equal, a b b a and c d. First of all, there is already been the value here in our res array, so it will check for BABA whether it's equal to or not, means that it will count the number of occurrences of each of the characters in words like this word, it will count. And if the number of occurrences of A and B are same in this, then it will not just put this in, and it will also then move on to this here and it will check. If it's there, then it will not put that into our res again. It will only put once, that has already been initialized in the beginning. Now next step, it will be just checking for CD. It will check for CD whether it has the number of occurrences same as the first first character, first occurrence in the words. If it's there, if it's not there, then just put the value, then it will put the value of CD in the array, and then it will count for CD. It will check for CD. If CD has the same number of occurrences of characters in this, means that their occurrences are same, then it will not put. If their occurrences are different, then it will put. So I hope that you guys have understood this, and now I will just return result. Result, okay, sorry, I just have to put res, not result, res. See, it has been running successfully. So I hope that you guys have understood this question, and I hope that you will be just applying this logic to solve this question. If you guys have not understood this question, please ask me in the comment section and I will try to sort it out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.